Welcome back to SmartSpeak English. Today we're doing a deep dive into a word that honestly trips up so many English speakers, even advanced ones. It's the word get.
Oh, yeah. Get.
It's absolutely everywhere, isn't it? Like in quick chats, work emails, idioms. It's kind of a chameleon, always changing its meaning. So if
Ugh.
you've been trying to really nail this word down, well, this deep dive is definitely for you. We're going to try and unlock its power.
That's right. And, it seems simple maybe, but its versatility is just incredible. It's so common that understanding its different shades of meaning is really key if you want to sound natural, more fluent.
Right.
So we've boiled it down to 5 main ways people use it. 5 core uses that once you, get them.
Nice one.
Yeah. They'll really help transform your everyday English. We're going beyond just the dictionary definitions here, trying to give you some, real practical insights.
Okay, let's unpack this then.
Right.
Where do we start? Maybe with the most sort of obvious meaning to receive something.
Yeah, let's start there. It seems straightforward.
But there's still nuance.
Absolutely. Just think about your daily messages. I got an email from my boss, or did you get my text? Now, you could say I received an email, but honestly, get is just, it's way more common, more fluid.
It sounds more natural.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It helps you sound like a native speaker. And a little tip here, get often suggests receiving something kind of informally or maybe something expected, like getting a package in the mail. You might still use receive for something more formal, like receiving an award or official notice. But day to day, it's mostly get.
Okay, that makes perfect sense. So from receiving get then does this completely different thing where it means like a change is happening, a transformation.
It really does. It's fascinating, isn't it? This is where get basically means to become.
Right.
And we use it all the time. It's getting cold outside, as the temperature drops. Or maybe she got really angry during the meeting. See how it often pairs with an adjective, getting tired, getting excited, getting better, getting sick.
So it implies a process or maybe a sudden shift.
Precisely. It's not usually a permanent state. It's about things in motion, things changing.
Right. Motion. And speaking of motion, get is also like our #1 word for arriving somewhere, reaching a place.
Definitely. It seems so basic, but think about how much more often we use it compared to arrive.
Yeah, that's true.
It just sounds so much more natural in conversation. Instead of, I don't know, I arrived home at 7 p.m., most people just say, I usually get home around 7. Or you might ask someone, when will you get to the office? It just rolls off the tongue easier.
Yeah.
And pay attention to the little words after, the prepositions. You get to a place like the office or the party.
Yeah.
But you just get home. No to.
Good point. So it marks the end of a journey, basically.
Exactly. Big or small journey, yeah.
Okay, switching gears again. This next one feels really important for conversation. When get means to understand something.
Oh, absolutely. This is conversational gold. And it's a huge sign of, informal fluency. Think how often you hear, do you get what I'm saying? Or maybe, sorry, I didn't get the joke.
All the time.
It's just a very quick, friendly, informal way to check if someone understands. Sure, you could ask, do you understand? But do you get it? Feels much more relaxed.
Yeah, less formal.
And the nuance maybe is that it often implies that aha moment, like a sudden click of understanding. Oh, now I get it.
Okay, yeah, I get that. Hey,
See?
perfect. And finally, the last one we're covering. Using get when you mean to buy or obtain something. This feels really practical.
Super practical. And it's especially common, I'd say, in American English, though you hear it elsewhere too.
Right.
In lots of casual situations, get is just a really common replacement for buy. So instead of, I need to buy some milk, you'll often hear,
I need to get some milk.
exactly. Or, can you give me a coffee while you're out? It's just quick. It's easy. It implies going and acquiring something, whether you pay for it, like buying, or just pick it up, like obtaining. It handles both jobs really efficiently.
Okay, that's a lot packed into one little word.
It really is. So just to quickly recap those 5 key meanings we talked about. First, get can mean receive, like, I got a message. Bath. Second, it can mean become, it's getting late.
Yeah.
Third, arrive, you got to the party at 9. Fourth is understand, did you get it? And fifth, buy or obtain, I'll get a sandwich. Those are 5 huge ones.
Right. So here's your challenge for today. Really try to use these. Practice making your own sentences using all 5 meanings of get today. Get creative with it. And start noticing, really pay attention to how using this word correctly helps your fluency. It makes you sound, well, more natural, more confident. And here's something to think about. Once you really get these 5 core meanings, what other doors start to open up? Think about all those phrasal verbs with get, like get over, get by, get away with. Mastering the basics is the first step. So if you found this deep dive helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and share it. And of course, subscribe to SmartSpeak English for more weekly language boosts. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking smart.